Studying behaviour and ecology in the fossil record is challenging because we can't directly observe extinct species like we can with living animals. Instead, we rely on fossil evidence to infer their behaviour. When we visited the Natural History Museum, we were able to use fossil evidence, anatomical features and analogous structures together to create a bigger picture on how extinct animals might have behaved or adapted to their environments.
We used the baryonyx, an early Cretaceous dinosaur, to explore whether behaviour can fossilise. At the Natural History Museum, we examined its bones and identified key adaptations that indicate its hunting behaviour. The baryonyx was a skilled carnivore with sharp, finely serrated teeth designed for impaling flesh. This suggests it caught small to medium-sized fish like crocodiles, gripping them with a notched snout and swallowing them headfirst. For larger fish, it used its sharp claws to break them apart. The smaller, crowded teeth in its lower jaw likely helped it grip food more effectively. The name baryonyx, meaning heavy claw, highlights its notable 31cm claw, likely used for hooking fish, similar to how bears catch prey. Its forelimbs also resemble those of digging animals, suggesting it could dig for nests, water or food. So, by examining the physical adaptations of the baryonyx, we can infer its behaviours. While behaviour itself doesn't fossilise, these adaptations provide clues about how this dinosaur interacted with its environment, giving us insights into its predatory strategies.
When we consider Darwin's theory of evolution, it's clear that behaviour is not fixed. It can change and develop over time in response to one's natural environment. So no, behaviour can't possibly fossilise in the evolutionary sense. The ability to adapt is essential to ensure species survival, whether it be terrain, diet or environment, especially in the baryonyx's case. Originally land animals, they seem to have evolved to spending more time near water, resulting in a fish-based diet to avoid competition with larger land-dwelling dinosaurs. Most likely cold-blooded, their body temperature fluctuates with the environment. Maybe evolution has led them to live near subtropical rivers and beaches, where they can efficiently thermoregulate, like crocodiles and hippopotamus. We can see evidence of evolution through the similar adaptations of the baryonyx and other modern animals.
I think when looking at the question, does behaviour fossilise, there's a really interesting debate that I listened to about the arguments for and against social behaviour within dinosaurs. A quarry in Mongolia revealed a group of Tarbosaurus fossils that seemed to have died together, leading some paleontologists to suggest dinosaurs like Protoceratops were social and lived in aggregations. However, fossils can only provide a snapshot in time, and that doesn't always tell the whole story. For instance, a group of grizzly bears found around a fishing spot might seem social, but in reality, grizzlies aren't very social at all. Similarly, we can't always infer behaviour just from fossils in all circumstances.
Whilst behaviour itself can't fossilise, it can be inferred from fossils, allowing us to make conclusions about an animal's lifestyle based on the evidence we find. However, when looking at the second definition of fossilise, behaviour cannot fossilise in a way that suggests it is fixed or unchanging, as we recognise that behaviour can still evolve and adapt over time.